Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to list your domain for auction on GoDaddy. You will sign into GoDaddy, you will go to your name and you will go to your products. When the My Product page opens, you will find your domains and you will click to manage all. It will open your domain portfolio. You will here see all your domains. I have only this one and I will click on the domain I want to sell. It opens this tab for the domain. You can here renew it or you can sell it. All my personal information down there will be of course blurred, and I will click here list for sale. The estimated value for this site is less than $100. Okay, I will put $100 for example. You don't need to put this. You can if you want, and you just will click here publish listing. And you put that. Okay, now it's listed for auction. You will close this, and if you will click here for edit listing. It opens a new tab with the listing of your domain that you put in. Okay, and now you can see here update domain details. You can here click the status listed, future listing. You can edit the price that you want to sell it. You can floor, this is the buy now price, and you can put the floor price, and you can do the minimum offer price. So somebody can offer you $65 and you can choose to sell it to them. Of course you can here delete your listing. Okay guys, this was here the quick tutorial how to list your domain for auction on GoDaddy. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps. If it helps, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need something else, you can ask in the comments or visit our channel. We have many tutorials on it. And guys, I hope you have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye!